It was kind of crazy because we found out Gresom got his green card and we said goodbye to everyone and just got on a plane real quick. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Guess where we are?
We are in US.
Yes, we finally made it here after a long time. But anyway, we just wanted to share our journey of flying here. It was quite a long journey. I think it was like a 30-hour travel day from start to finish. But it went really, really well. We were traveling with our 15-month-old daughter, and she honestly did amazing, don't you think?
It was awesome. It was easy too this time.
Yeah, we were really nervous. If you haven't heard of our first travel experience flying with our daughter when she was 6 months, we'll link the video here, but it was a million times better than that. She basically slept almost the entire way. We don't know how or why, but she did. She was out, so it was a breeze. But we took some clips because it was a fun time. A little family adventure flying here. We had a 5-hour flight to Doha, 5-hour layover, and then a 15-hour flight.
First, you need to say like how we found out.
We were trying to get to the US for Christmas, and it was getting down to the nitty-gritty because we only had like a few weeks, and you know, flights are super expensive, especially we always travel with Qatar because we're like members with their airline, so trying to get those points, it's not cheap. But right now it's super expensive to fly into Qatar because of the World Cup. So anyway, he found out he got the green card on a Sunday morning. He called me. I was home with Lana, told me. And then I'm like looking at flights, you know, trying to figure out, is there any way we can be home for Christmas? The cheapest flight for the next 3 months was 2 days away. So Tuesday. Found it on a Sunday, and then we ended up flying out basically Monday night. Our flight left at like 2 a.m. on Tuesday morning. And so we like booked the ticket real quick, and then we just started packing. In a wild turn of events, Gresom and I just booked a flight for tomorrow night, so we now have to pack up all of our stuff for like 4 months of going to the US. And we need to pack it all up right now. So let's get packing. Gresom's sister Gresa is helping me pack since it's very last minute. But we recently started using these black bins that I got from, I think, Home Depot to fly with. And they are magical because you can fit so much stuff in them. So me and Lana are going to share a bin, and then Gresom's going to have a bin. Lana's very excited about our Christmas stockings that I'm packing to bring home with us. Aren't you? You like our Christmas stockings?
Everybody came to say goodbye because I had not that much time to have a farewell party, say bye-bye, I'm going, kind of drama not happened. But yeah, my family and my close friend, they came to say goodbye to me. We were in airport, and this time in airport it was so easy peasy, but Lina wanted to walk around, so yeah, it was fun sitting there.
How are you feeling?
Very good. Tired, sleepy.
I will also say on this flight, like, you know, I don't want to be like too prideful because we have to fly back to Nepal, and who knows what line is going to be like then, but I feel like we were very well prepared, both mentally and just like, we just prepared well this time for a flight with Lana. We had a whole backpack full of different activities and games for her, and yeah, we had tons of different snacks. So yeah, I feel like we were very well prepared for anything she could dish out. Another thing is, we didn't really let Lana watch that much TV or like anything like on screens.
Yeah, all of you. Yeah, just you need to. This I learned thing from my mother-in-law. She's a really good counselor. She always said that if you don't want to hear your baby cry, then give whatever they ask. But if you want to hear a little bit baby cry, but if you want to discipline your kid good way, it's okay. Even they don't want, if they want phone, TV, something like that. If you don't want to give them, but they are asking for that, means you can discipline them good way. I learned that through your mom.
Good.
I love it.
Well,
but in airport, in plane,
airplane, everything went out the window, and we just let her watch as much like cartoons as she wanted.
But she didn't watch.
But it was so she wasn't that interested, but it was nice because it was like a treat for her, and she was excited about it, and it gave us a little bit of a break.
But this time they did not give us.
They didn't give us chicken biryani.
It was pretty sad. But whatever they gave, Lina, I was holding Lina and eating.
It's honestly hard, like when you're on that long of a flight, and you have to have your baby in your lap, but your baby's like 20 pounds. It's just this kid in your lap the entire time. I don't know how we would have managed if Lina had been awake. We would have never gotten to eat. Because there was no space. We a good team. We were our teamwork was top notch, honestly. Top notch. But it was also funny because we first got on the plane and we were like in the middle of the middle. You know what I mean? Like there was like 3, 3, 3, and we were in the 3 middle seats, but we were just 2. And then there was this like old man next to me. And we get on the plane and like I'm like trying to nurse Lina while the plane's taking off, and Lina's like so long that she's like, you know, spread out, and she's like kicking the old man next to me, and I was like, I'm so sorry, and he was like, it's okay, I understand. But I'm like, what am I supposed to do? There's no room anywhere. So I was kind of jealous because there was like several rows around us where there was like the middle seat was empty, and I was like, why didn't they give us those seats? But it's okay. We survived. We made it. We made it here.
We made it from here, Kathmandu to Doha. So it was pretty fun, but we are so tired. And on the airport also, Lina was playing for a few, like...
In Doha?
Yeah.
Yeah, Doha is a great airport because it's so big and they have like little play areas for kids, and yeah, she had a great time.
It's so fun. Like they decorated Doha airport pretty good way. Yeah. Because all that FIFA World Cup thing.
Yeah.
So.
What do you think, Lina? What do you think? Where are we? We're in Qatar. We're in the airport.
Good. It's awesome.
What are we about to do?
We are finding C6. Yeah, so we are going to find that. Thank you.
We're about to board the plane for the US. I'm very excited. Gresom and Lina just took a nice long nap, so Gresom's a little out of it.
I'm waking up.
Oh man.
Baby tea.
It's for babies, but it tastes really good and Lina doesn't want it. So we're eating it. We're really hungry. Is this like a banana milkshake? A banana. So stay tuned for future videos because we have so much footage. We just need to like make videos. We've been having a lot of fun. Christmas time, US, but we have lots of videos of Gresom, just all the first things.
Your family and friend not yet subscribed, you need to tell them, hey, do you know there is one couple? They are
you
awesome,
don't need to give us a Christmas
wonderful.
present. You just need to subscribe to our channel. We love you guys.
Bye-bye.